This is the tutorial about MakaPay, WordPress, and WooCommerce plugin setup. Step 1. Upload the plugin files or install through WordPress plugin screen. Step 2. Go to Plugins, then add New Plugin, and click Upload Plugin. Step 3. Choose your MakaPay zip file and click Install Now. Step 4. Activate the plugin through the plugin screen. Once installed, click Activate Plugin. Step 5. Go to WooCommerce Settings, then click the Payments tab. Step 6. Enable MakaPay and click Manage to configure the settings. Step 7. First, check the Enable box. Step 8. Enter your API key from your MakaPay dashboard. Step 9. Enter your merchant wallet address where you want to receive payments. Step 10. Select your preferred blockchain network and token. You can choose Polygon for lower transaction fees. Step 11. Select USDT or USDC as your payment token. Step 12. Click Save Changes to complete the setup. That's it. MakaPay is now configured and your customers can pay with cryptocurrency.